Bestie. Bestie. Where do we take? We don't have. Hey, what's up, people? It's your girl Lady B, and we're doing a school vlog with Skeleton Fire, Jerome Joey, Takunda, and some of our friends. So we're just going to show you something good. We're not going to do much. Daniel. So guys, I'm with my friends, the boys. I'm a CEO. So we are going to do something like a dance, something. Okay, we are going to show people. Hey. Guys, don't mind the logs and don't mind the background. We are actually closing. Yeah, it says Baraka just if you can. Hi, you guys invited,
Go. Tunani ga tanya kata si. Kare gula gimi.